Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was late coming back from office and I feel I should talk from a little behind because my face is too up to the camera and I think I need to जितना भी साफ कर लो किस्मत तो नहीं साफ होगी. Today I want to talk about a compliment or something that I heard from a friend or someone like 2 weeks back. So I was showing my friend a video where I was eating or writing, I think I saw, and they said कि उपासना तू लेफ्ट हैंड से भी लिखती है. And I thought लिखती तो हूँ मैं लेफ्ट हैंड से. एक्चुअली आई प्रैक्टिस्ड राइटिंग विद लेफ्ट हैंड आफ्टर आई पास माई बैचलर्स बिकॉज बेरोजगारी में लोग ज्यादा काम करते हैं. मतलब बेरोजगारी में आई हैड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू डू एंड not inherit and practice skills that obviously won't be of much use. I can write with both hands and to be honest both my hands are dominant, very dominant. I feel my left hand is more dominant. See, I'll tell you one thing. So I used to learn Bharatanatyam in Kshatriya, and Kshatriya had this it's a very flexible dance form from Assam, classical dance. So you have to be on your palms like you do this. If you look close enough, my biceps. Okay, if you see, my biceps will be popping. Damn. Okay, so if you, there is this thing that you do like this. Okay, so I should have made the video like this. I think I should get a white tank top. Cool. Anyways, I got my salary today. I can't use it because I signed up for too many hobbies to keep myself invested. So no, I can't do fokat ka kharcha. So getting back to Kshatriya, Hotriya Nritya, that's how we pronounce in Assamese, Ohomia. So you have to do this thing, okay? And it's more like this, and then you do this. Cheer, hands up, Gabriella. Gabriella, hands up, So you have to do this thing, but for some reason I like to push myself in ways that are not actually needed. I can't do that thing with my right hand or both hand. I can do that thing only with my left hand. Let me show you. So ये start हो गया. मेरे पैर आ जाएंगे, देखो ना. आ जाएंगे. Okay. So you see, if I fail, don't laugh at me. I'll obviously cut the video. So I can do this thing with with my left hand and not my right hand or both of the hands. Can you see my feet? Shira, can you see my feet?
Yeah, I can.
No, don't put it like this. I'll do it in a YouTube video. Okay. So see, okay. And you are not going to laugh. If you laugh, cameraman.
Your face is not showing.
Okay, my face is not showing. Please cut that call. Not now. Okay. See, okay. I think I ate too much food. So I made the video and now my stomach is about to burst open. Never mind. So next thing, I did this. Then see, okay, I kind of have undiagnosed ADHD as far as I have heard from people. It's more like a warning rather than a compliment, I guess. Attention, something. But you know, I'm an attention-seeking person. So you have a leave it. So the next thing is, I learned how to write with both my hands because one of my roommates back in bachelor's, she used to write with left hand and right hand. So it was very interesting that a person practices writing with the left hand. So I also practiced because I had nothing else to do. Berozgari. So the thing is, I kind of have to do something with my, see, I fidget a lot, I shake my leg, I do something with my hand while writing. So earlier, like back in when I was in class 9 something, I used to pierce my pimples. That's why I have like huge pores on my face. And later in bachelor's, I kind of developed some kind of more intense fidgeting where I used to scratch my legs and I had blood all over my legs and there were spots. It's more like I had stress, tension, blah 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 blah. Then I realized how to tackle this. Eat. I ate a lot. I used to eat a lot while studying. So, if I'm writing with my right hand and eating with my left hand, it feels icky. No, it's not. We haven't been taught to eat with our left hand. It doesn't feel right. So what to do? Let's interchange that. I started writing with my left hand and eating with my right hand. So write, eat. Write, eat. These are some of the qualities that no one asks for. I don't know how to write with the left hand now, because now for the last I think 2 years I have been just typing and writing very less. I can just type without looking or something. I can type without looking. I can't guarantee the words are right or the letters are right or the punctuations are all there. Okay, that's that. And you know, I notice my jeans are getting loose, maybe because I am losing the fat around my thighs or my waist. The last time, see, my mom gets me clothes because my body structure is very weird. My waist is like this much, my thighs are this much. So it becomes very tricky to find the right pair of jeans that would fit you perfectly. So I have to make use of one jean, of like 3. Mostly the most amount of jeans I have had in one time, it's 3 or 4. Like recently, see, before I got money, my mom used to take care of all my shopping. Even now that I am earning my own money, I am buying my own clothes, and they are like the shittiest, worst choice of jeans. So I stopped wearing jeans for some while because I was not getting the perfect size. And you know, my weight fluctuates a lot. Now I am fluctuating a lot. I feel I am getting more toned. So I wanted to buy a pair of jeans, but I ended up getting trousers because they didn't fit right around my waist. My waist is around 28 something, but according to the 28, my thighs don't fit. And today when I checked myself in the office mirror, the pants were very loose. It's very disheartening that I pay so much money to buy jeans and they don't fit you after like 2 months, even though that money was my sister's money. Okay, so I went to meet my sister back in August, Pune. I went to Pune. My sister lives in Pune. So I went to meet her and she got me 2 pairs of pants. One was nice, one was like a trouser type, one was jeans. And I tell you, I had to try like 10 to 15 pairs of jeans just to find the right one, not close to the right one that would fit me. I was so frustrated, angry, like I'll just stop wearing jeans because it's such a task to find the right pair of jeans. Because you know, you open your pants, you open your socks, you open your shoes, and then at the end of the day it doesn't fit anything, and then you have to wear it again. Then you go to another shop, the whole process, then again the whole process, and it's a task. But I still got 2 jeans. Three pairs of jeans, a black one, a blue one, and this one. So yeah, and from now on I think I'll just post here on YouTube because my videos are so long to be posted on Instagram, and I don't think anyone will listen to a 20-minute long something. Oh, tomorrow I think I have to go for a visit. I work in a marketing team, and oh, my hair looks nice. I work in a marketing team, and we have given this task to. Thanks. I'll make a video. Bye.